Okay, goldsmiths, so let's talk about scarcity. So the best way for local goldsmith shops to actually increase the demand for your items is when there's just a fixed quantity of special items that are available for purchase. It creates scarcity, right? So it basically increases the need to take action now. So this is basically where you publicly share that you are only giving away X amount of items, 1, 2. So let's just take this as an example. If Frida from ABBA, right, drops a limited edition guitar and she says she has only made 5 and signed each of them and they will never ever be made again, are you more or less likely to buy it rather than if it's always available? You're more likely to buy it, right? So the idea that you can never ever in life get it again makes it more desirable to buy now. So human beings are far more motivated to take action, to hoard a scarce resource, than they are to act on something that could help them. So fear of loss is stronger than the desire for gain. So there are 3 types of scarcity. So number 1, limited supply. So in general or over a period of time. And then number 2, there is limited supply of bonuses. So if the first people who buy these 5 things they are the only one who gets these bonuses. And then number 3, never available again. You will never make this ever again, right? So that's number 3. So we are in the physical products industry, so having limited releases is a really, really good way of using this psychological bias to your advantage as a goldsmith business owner, right? So you can have limited releases, colors, designs, sizes, etc. This month, like for example, this month we are releasing 3X special items, right? So that's a way you can basically limit the amount of items. Now, remember, you must always let everyone know that you sold out. So this is a quick side note. Chanel, right, the perfumes, they send only 1 to 2 of each piece to each store. So every store has a different selection and every item is the last or second last in stock. So this basically allows the stores to price far above the market and turn buying impulses into purchases. So that's the way you can use scarcity. Remember, it's limiting the amount of items that you are able to sell, either in a period of time or ever, right? And then you can also use scarcity with bonuses. So the first 5 purchases get these bonuses. Otherwise, none of the ones who purchase after the 5, they will never get that bonus. Right? So that's a way, those are 3 ways you can use scarcity to actually enhance the offer and make people want to buy.